guys, I'm Douglas. I'm going to take you through the Olmoran tracking front-end system. First, this is our system. We're going to log into our system using one of our subscribers account. I'm going to use Dennis' account. Once you log into our Olmoran tracking system, you are displayed with Google, which contains Google Maps, and we also have modules, 5 modules. So I'm going to take you briefly through these modules. First, we have the tracker module. In this tracker module, this is where we assign the tracker IDs, and you can see here I have two tracker IDs, which is tracker 123 for the container and tracker 124 for the agent. As you can see, currently now these trackers are inactive. We need to make these trackers active, and we're going to make them active by entering this tracker ID into the application which we have in our phones. I have two phones which are Android enabled phones. They are connecting to the net. You can't see these phones because they are not in the screen. So I'm going to enter the first tracker ID for the container, which is tracker 123. And the Android application is going to verify if that tracker ID is registered, and it's done. The next tracker ID is tracker 124, which I'm going to enter 124, and the tracker is already verified, and now that tracker is currently active and is being tracked now. Next, we have the SMS portal. I forgot something. Once these trackers are active, here now the tracker, their coordinates are picked here, and you're actually shown where they are in real time. Next, we have the SMS portal. I'm going to take you briefly with this portal. In this portal, we have the recipients of an alerts. In case there is an alert, here is where we enter their phone numbers. Like we have the number of the agent and the call center. These are the people who are going to receive the alerts in case any of the alerts comes up via SMS. Here you also can add, in case there is any extra recipient you want for him or her to receive the alert, you can add them. Next, we have the stationary time. The stationary time is the time for which the tracker is allowed to be stationary. If the tracker or the container is stationary for more than this time, for instance 30 minutes, there's an alert. Next, we have the proximity. This is the time which connects the two trackers actually, the agent and the tracker and the container. If this time is exceeded, there is an alert which goes on. Like now you can see the proximity time, distance is 20 meters, and the distance between the two trackers, that's the agent and the tracker on the container, is 18 meters. So the distance is already kept. It's not beyond the distance which is allowed. Here we have the users. This module contains all the users which are allowed to log into the system. Thank you for listening and reviewing to our Olmoran tracking system. Don't forget to subscribe for this channel for more updates about the Olmoran tracking system.